I'll be demonstrating how to make a yarn bobbin, sometimes referred to as a yarn butterfly. So we take a smaller amount of yarn and we wind it in this fashion, and it allows you to pull the yarn out without having any tangles or it coming apart. This is often used in intarsia, where a small amount of yarn is needed and you can have several of these hanging off the back of your work. So let's see how that's done. We begin by taking our yarn and we're going to drape the tail in front of your, you can see I've got palm up and it goes around our thumb. And we're going to be winding it between our thumb and our ring finger in a figure 8 fashion. So we go in front of the ring finger, in front of the thumb, in front of the ring finger, in front of the thumb, front of the ring finger, in front of the thumb, front of the ring finger, in front of the thumb. So you can see I'm making this nice little figure 8. I just keep going around and around until I get wrap the desired amount of yarn around my fingers. And then I'm going to take that little tail that has been hanging in front of my thumb, and I'm going to put that, I can kind of drop this guy here, and I'm going to put that tail hanging there between my pinky and my ring finger. So I'm kind of securing that tail right here. And then I'm going to cut the yarn from the larger skein, and then we're going to, still hanging onto that tail between these two fingers, I'm going to wrap this freshly cut tail around the center, and I like to do it 3 times. So 1, going over the top, and then 2, and it can be kind of awkward when you only have one hand to use. There's 2, and that 3rd time I'm going to leave it just a little bit loose because I'm going to then thread my tail underneath that. Hopefully you can see that in there. Pull that through there and then just kind of gently tug that closed. Now I like to trim this freshly cut tail so that I don't confuse it with the end that I'm going to pull. So I'm going to cut that. And now I can release my fingers. And here I have my nice little yarn bobbin. Happy knitting!